Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. Just going to try to take up 5 to 10 minutes of your time showing you some of the channels that I have subscribed to and why I think they are useful. First of all, Tomcat Gas Training. Tomcat is mainly in the classroom showing you certain training principles as a domestic gas engineer in the UK. I like his channel. I tend to listen to his channel when I'm going on a long journey. It's because the videos are quite long and extensive. I like them because there's a lot to learn. He's got a lot of gas revision things on there and so on, different topics. It's a very good channel with a lot of subscribers. And he's a very nice YouTuber who tends to reply. So I think that's a channel you should check out if you haven't already. Plumb Like Tom is good. I am in contact with him from time to time, and he has a very good channel, and you see him covering oil and first and second fixes from beginning to end. Really nice guy. Check out his channel. Up and coming YouTuber. He's going to be big. All right, after him, somebody who is got an established channel, PB Plumber. He doesn't really need any introduction. He is well known in the industry. And another domestic gas engineer. But check out his channel. Most of what I like about his channel is the intro and so on, and those and sort of like the filming quality and so on. I haven't gone deep into this channel yet. But if you know anything about some of these channels I'm telling you about, and you're a more deeper follower than I am, and you've seen all their videos and so on, please put in the comments below what you think, and also please also put other recommendations that you have seen, what you'd like to share, because we're all learning, and some engineers know more about a certain field than another and so on, so we can all learn from each other. So please share with me other channels that you find useful. This person now coming out of the UK is Stephen Lavimonia. I think that's how you pronounce his name. Is pretty big in America, and he posts a lot of videos and quite long ones. I don't know how he posts so many videos, but it's quite interesting seeing him and his dog. You see his dog and he'll go on journeys throughout the United States, and it's quite entertaining. If you have the time to watch those videos, go for it. And then you have the Urban Plumbers. I don't know much about this channel. I've been following it. And I saw the bit of the last one, but I liked the filming, the editing and so on. It seemed very professional, a very good channel, and a lot of information. This is a very new YouTuber. I've only been doing this for about a year in terms of being a YouTuber, MJ Tiff Plumbing, but he has been one of the fastest rising YouTubers I have seen in terms of plumbing. His channel is good. I think he has some giveaways and things like that. I think Tomcat also does some giveaways and so on as well. Saw him do one for some apprentices. But MJ Tiff, he's plumbing. I like the channel. It's very well presented, filmed, edited and so on. It's a good channel. This channel here, the Mental Gas Man, interesting name. The Mental Gas Man 3T Gas Maintenance Limited. That's quite a long-winded name, but nonetheless, it is a no-nonsense channel, and I like it. It's not too long. Before you know it, you can learn a lot very quickly here, because short videos, I believe, are some are long, but you see him fixing things. He has the camera on and so on, and good channel. I like it. And he's covered something recently on, I think, on men's mental health. I really liked his tool bag. When he displayed his tool bag, I was very impressed. And then Andrew Millward. Andrew is somebody who I have met, and is quite good, quite knowledgeable, and he loves Weissman boilers. Check out his channel. He's got some good tips and so on there. Alan Hart, I believe most people know Alan Hart. He's quite well known in the industry. I like his channel. I think he is up there with people like Tomcat and so on. Quite influential, and I really like his channel. It's well presented and so on, and it's really good stuff. if you're a domestic gas engineer in the UK, it'd be very helpful. This is N Bundy Electrical. If you want to see some electrical channels, check them out. I think people really like following it. Some of this is more like, although there's things to learn, I think some people like a bit of drama, a bit of entertainment. I think some of these channels are more sometimes in the entertainment side, and you can learn, but you're watching half an hour before you may learn the simplest of things. So if you want some entertainment as well, I think this is a good channel for that, and you can learn something kind of as well on the side. Now going out, this is just a Spanish, or should I say South American channel. Check that out if you want. Plumber Parts, you may know this is a well-known UK plumber, been around for a long time, well known, doesn't need much of an introduction. John Ward is very good, very technical. I don't know if he's posted any videos that much recently, but he is well respected and knows a lot. And it's not just basic plumbing or so on here, it's very technical. This is a new YouTuber coming up called Loving Plumbing. He's quite good, I believe. I haven't followed it fully, so but from what I've seen, he's got some good things in there to learn from. Baxi boilers, very professional courses on here from Baxi on how to service their boilers and so on. Electrics again, Artisan Electrics, another sort of entertainment and at the same time learning channel. Mr. Combi Training. Mr. Combi, I've seen bits and pieces on here. I know he's also promoting his training course that he has. This is a Spanish speaking channel. This one here is Daniel Short's a lot HVAC. This is a guy, I believe, in Canada, and it's a nice guy. In the channel, you'll hear him talking about things he couldn't fix or he could fix. He's quite humble, really nice guy. Good channel with heating and so on, aircon. In his channel, he covers a lot of things. Got to learn this channel. I'm trying to remember what this one is about. I have so many that I follow. What do we have on here? A few tricks, yeah, a few bits of plumbing tricks and so on, and so forth. And here we have Deriton. His channel is quite popular. He's got different things going on here. Some of these channels are interesting. Everyone's got their own niche and the personal touch. Some of them you may see their wives on the channel and so on. This one is this one's called AC Services Tech. Some of these channels I've had them in the list and I've just caught one or two videos, but I haven't been able to see the whole thing, so check that out. NG Climatic is a French one. His channel, he's been really good, doing a lot of programming recently. He doesn't always do programming, but he's had other ones in breakdowns and so on, but he does a lot of programming. Plumbing Doctors is an interesting channel. You'll see installs and so on and different things going on and share. Skill Builder is a plumber, but the channel is called Skill Builder. Maybe he's more than just a plumber. He does other bits and bobs, but he has been around a long time. I know him as a plumber, and his channel is quite good. Smart Pipe, I don't know much about Smart Pipe plumbing, maybe you do, but it's one that I follow. Okay, and then Fredo, that's a Spanish one, but nonetheless I love following these ones as well. Spanish speaking channel. I believe this is a Spanish one, or is it French? I think this is a French one, apologies. And then we have Boilers 24/7. This is one. Some of these, this channel here has got some ultra short videos. They're very short, like 1 and 4 minutes long. It's electrical. This channel I only just discovered, so I can't tell you much about it, but it just seems quite simple, not long-winded, 3-minute videos, and just a lot of knowledge in a very short space of time. So I must check this one out more. I like that. Jimbo the Electrician. quite a popular channel. I don't think it's been around that long, but I think it's growing very fast. The engineering mindset, I love this channel. There's so much to learn on it. It's not just plumbing or gas or anything. It's about engineering and very good and well illustrated videos. Jeffrey needs training. This is one I just discovered recently, but I am looking to look into it. American one here, David Shaker, quite a popular channel of him doing some repairs in the States. This one here, I can't remember where this one is from, but the language does not hold me back. I'll watch any channel if there's something to learn. HVAC School, this is an American one. I haven't been able to sit down and watch this one. I think some of them that are quiet, which have long videos, it's hard for me to find the time. Even if I increase the playback speed, it's hard to sit down and watch all these videos. Techno Data, don't know what this one is about. That's looks good though. It's in Spanish and it looks like it covers different parts of engineering. This guy is a Spanish guy who I've been in contact with in the past. He does, it's called Mi Amigo Arregla Calderas. He has videos of fixing boilers. It's basically my friend who fixes boilers. That's what it's called. Yeah, his channel's pretty good. Learning engineering. Some of these channels don't have much talking on it. You just see the visuals. So this is one of those with short videos of how to wire things up. Clayton Heating and Plumbing, quite a popular upcoming channel. I haven't been able to sit down and watch this one, but I believe it is good. This one here is a French channel on boilers as well. An electrician here in Spanish, and then we have a French plumber here. Very popular channel, and he's really good. When you watch his videos and see what he does, he will show you the whole thing from beginning to end, and he does a great job. Diego, so we got Diego Gonzalez here doing work. Looks like he does a lot of aircon and so on, and that's a Spanish channel. CJR Electrical, so this is obviously an electrical channel. And then we have another one here in Spanish. Looks like it's in the States. And then another one here in Spanish, and he's fixing PVC and gas and so on. So it's good to see how people do things in other countries, even if you don't understand all the audio. Then we have this person here, Dr. Pipe. I believe this is in the UK. So you'll see him fixing different boilers and so on. And this one's in Spanish, a Spanish plumber, El Fontanero en Casa. So he's the plumber in-house. So good to see that one. Antonio, I can't really pronounce that name. I'm not sure. This looks German to me. So he looks like a German plumber. And then we've got another Khalifi Hydronic Solutions. Not sure where this one is based. And then we got here German Bertie, but it's a Spanish channel by the looks of things. You can see I'm subscribed to a lot of channels. I wish I had the time to watch them all. And then this one is Resgua Plombier. Sounds like a French plumber, possibly French. Some of these, I don't know what language they're in. Okay, another one here. Also not sure about what's going on here. And then in this one here, another plumber. HVAC UK. Cool, a UK HVAC channel. Adrian Chavez. This is a Spanish speaking channel. We have a lot of AC by the looks of things. This channel here, I'm not sure what this is about. It's got some tools on it, burners, a lot of burners on it. That's good. This one, some wiring we have on it on this particular channel. Almost coming to an end now. And then this channel here, Not sure what's going on here, but I can see that here fixing boilers, so I'm interested. And an electrical company here, or electrical channel here. Yep, that's them all. I hope that's helped you. Put comments in the below and share some with me, or what you know about some of these, or what you which channels you follow. Okay, until next time. Bye bye bye.